This is a great upgrade to those plastic mixing bowls. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this 5-set of stainless steel mixing bowls. And oh my goodness, these things are amazing. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So first off, first thing I want to note, they're stainless steel. Look, you can see us. Hi. I already washed them all out. On the outside, they're not as shiny, which is kind of cool. They've got more of that like matte look to them. Super shiny on the inside. They got a nice little lip here. They also all have lids. Every single one of them has a lid that, I should probably make sure it's the right size, that just pops right on, which is pretty cool. I do like that. The lid has on the side here, it's like ribbed. So it doesn't have a rubber seal, still has a lid, which is awesome. But my favorite part, hi Miss Memphis, my favorite part, look, that one goes in there, that one goes in there, that one goes, I think you get the point by now, that one goes in there, and then the lids can just sit right on top. That's it. Look at how much space that is going to save in your cabinet because they all stack together. I love this. These are awesome. Super easy to clean. They stack together. Every single one of them has a lid, space-saving design. What do you think of these? She's like, are you making something for me? No, I'm not. I'm making coleslaw. You can't have that. Sorry. They're all different sizes. There's even a little tiny one for making like dips and stuff. And the nice thing is you mix it in here, you leave it in here. I'm actually going to make some coleslaw and leave it in the bowl, so I'll show you that in just a second. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Not only does it all fit, I can now mix it in here and put the lid on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you guys. Check that out. Mixed in the bowl, lid goes on. Oh my goodness. If you guys are looking for a great set of stackable mixing bowls with lids, we recommend this. I'm so excited for these. These are pretty awesome.